here's my trade recap for today. So I actually didn't take any trades at all. Going into the day, I was bearish just because in every downtrend, in every time frame, we're in a downtrend. 30-minute, we're in a downtrend, hourly, 4 hourly, including the daily as well. So there's no reason to take longs at all. So market opens and like literally completely dumps. And after market dumped, it created this huge 5 minute imbalance. And this is kind of what I was looking at for shorts because I wanted to see some type of retracement up to here, which we got. Um, but I wanted to see it go towards these hourly lows, like way over here. I was targeting these relative equal lows. That would have been one of my take profits if it would have hit, but obviously price never got that low. Also coming in the day, we had an hourly SMT on NQ and ES. If you look here, ES made a lower high, and on this hourly time frame, NQ made a higher high right here. So NQ was trailing, it was bearish. So I wanted to see some type of retracement. We got the retracement. So I'm like, okay, cool, scale down to the 1 minute. There were two pretty big 1 minute fair value gaps inside of this 5 minute fair value gap that we had here. So right here, we had this 1 minute fair value gap and this 1 minute fair value gap. And actually, price rejected off it pretty good, but again, there was no like entry for me. I missed out on a pretty good long that was right here, and also one right here. But again, there was no reason for me to take a long if I'm waiting for a retracement to go short. So there wasn't a reason. Yes, there was a break of structure, I guess, right here, and I could have been like, okay, maybe we're going to the upside, but I honestly had no reason. There was no reason for us to go long today. If you went long, congrats. But for me, with my strategy, I've learned after blowing two express accounts. I'm on now on my third one. But you got to be smart with your trades. And yes, there was a decent setup for longs, but the risk to reward wasn't that good. And also, if you look, it never really went crazy went crazy high. But yeah, there was no trades for me today. We also had this 15 minute um, on ES. We had this 30 minute fair value gap right here as well, which I was waiting for price to reject off of, and it did right here. But eventually we just kept going up. And I only trade during the macro, which means 9:50 to 10:10. So during the macro, what happens right here? We do inverse this 5 minute, and I could have been like, okay, I could have probably taken a long up to the big 5 minute fair value gap. But like, yes, this one got inversed on an ES, and I could have been like, okay, we're going higher. But there was no reason. So yeah, I didn't trade today. Honestly, not mad about the psychology standpoint. I didn't lose money, and if you don't lose money, that's a win in my books. But yeah, I mean, it looks like price is just straight up going higher. We could fill in this hourly imbalance and reject off of it during London session or something like that. But we'll have to see what happens. So as of now, um, I don't have any trades done in this Express account. I mean, I've only been on it for 2 days now. I didn't take a trade on Friday. I didn't take a trade today. So yeah, that is my trade recap for today. I didn't take a trade. If y'all took a trade, big dubs. If not, cool. Um, but yeah, if you haven't joined the Discord, Discord's in my bio for my YouTube, and also check out all my other socials. But yeah, that's it for me today. I'll see y'all tomorrow.